Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we deep dive into Salesforce Financial Cloud to help you streamline your financial processes. Today we are tackling a complex but crucial topic, how to properly record trust in Salesforce Financial Cloud. A lot of clients that I work with, this is something which is really important to all of them. So that's why I make it a point that I go through this particular topic with each and every client. This is a very important aspect of managing client relationships. And while there are different ways that you can set up trust, I'm going to walk you through one of the preferred way that we use based on our real world experience. So what I have over here is a Salesforce learning org. And over here, I'm going to walk you through how the household accounts, person accounts, and trust, they interact with each other. So first of all, let's go to accounts. And from there, what I'm going to show you is household accounts. So I've set up an Adams household account. Over here, I have different individuals who are linked as a person account over here. So you have Rachel Adams as main primary member of the household. And then you have Nigel Adams, who is spouse. And you have Scott Adams, who is related as other. And below over here, you can see that you have Adams Charitable Trust and you have Alpine Group, which is a business over there. And then you have another recreation, account community recreation, which is set up as client. So the component that I'm using over here, the name of this component, I'll quickly show it to you so that you all can also see what component I'm using inside Financial Services Cloud. It's called Relationship Map Financial Services Cloud. It's a part of Financial Services Cloud Managed package from Salesforce. And today we are going to talk mostly about this and how you can set up relationships. So if I click on Edit Group, you'll be able to see that you'll be able to see who are the different members of this group and how they are related over here, what are the roll-up settings. And this is all a part of account contact relationship object. And you can only have one primary member per group. So that's Rachel Adams over here, and then you can set up, primary group for the other individuals. Now, how is this related to other groups? So this is where you'll define your account to account relationship, and you have different type of association over here. So depending upon the type of association that you select, so you'll have different roll-up capabilities in here. And over here, you can also define who will be trustee to which account. So this is going to be your account contact relationship and what you need to add in the group or what you do not want to add in the group. So you can define all of those relationships in here. Now let's go back, and what I'll do is I'll show you what Adams Charitable Trust is. All of these individuals are set up as person accounts, so this is relatively straightforward. But the trust themselves, they need to be set up as institution account. So Adams Charitable Trust, for example, over here, the account record type is institution. So this is very important to note that whatever trust that you'll create, you need to create an institution record type account record for those. And then you'll have to relate those through account. If I click on edit relationship, so account contact relationship, you'll be able to relate those to the household. And then over there, you can also define, what are the roll-up relationships that you need. And you can select all the different items which are available for roll-up. Now, why I'm bringing up rollup is an important point because let's go to Adams Charitable Trust now. And over here, as you can see under related section, this particular charitable trust owns cash account. So as you can see, the primary owner over here is Adam's Charitable Trust, and then household is automatically populated because there's a background process in Salesforce FSC, which will automatically populate household if you have correctly defined the relationship under the account object. So again, let me open this in a new tab, and over here under Adam's household, as you can see that the relationship over here has been defined properly. So this is the reason why roll up will occur to the correct group. Now, for example, over here the balance is 275,000. I'm going to quickly change this to something else, but before that, let me show you what values do we have on the household account. So if you check on the household account, the total bank deposits right now is 2.9 million and something. So now let's say if I want to change this value to 295,000, which means I'm adding 220,000 more. So if I refresh the screen and if I go back under details, so now you can see that another 20,000 was added. So the new bank deposit number is now 3 million and something. So this is the reason why this configuration for the relationship is very important. And the way this needs to be configured is that you'll have the trust account related to the contact over here, and then you'll have the relationship selected as trustee, and then you'll select the roll-ups that you want to consider over here. One more important thing that I wanted to highlight was there's another way how you can handle trust. So you can choose to create a separate household for trust. And then under that household, you can then only have the trust account set up as an institution. And you can have, different person accounts related to it. Now, that comes into picture when you are working with, different custodian systems such as Orion, where you might have, a financial structure like that. So while we have clients who are working with Orion, what they choose to do is they choose to track trust separately and household separately. So in that particular scenario, you might want to go with the approach where you have a different household account set up for the trust, and then everything is being tracked using the trust accounts. It all depends upon how your client's business is and what type of custodian they are using, whether they are using Tamarack or whether they are using Orion or they are receiving their financial information and connecting to Salesforce using different financial systems. But this way, the way that I've just shown you is one of the most preferred way, and even Salesforce recommends that your data structure should be set up this way to ensure the data accuracy and ease of management for data. And this also helps your advisors to navigate properly by taking a look at different accounts and different relationships that your households have. And by successfully configuring the rollups, you can maintain the accurate data inside Financial Services Cloud. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Salesforce tips and tricks. And as always, please feel free to ask any questions or topics in the comments below, or provide any feedback of any topic that you want to cover in the comments below so that I can create more videos on it. Thank you.